SmartLine is a brand new manufacturing line for electronic circuit car assemblies.
SmartLine is about best practices, it's about teamwork, collaboration, it's about improving to a new way that's leaner, faster, quicker, better quality.
It's how we're going to be transforming the way that we manufacture our products within Colin.
It's people coming together towards making not just the process smart and lean and automated, but also the products more robust, more reliable, and more manufacturing friendly.
When people think about automation, they actually think about less labor. But in reality, it has been a great opportunity to actually integrate the growth that we're seeing in Puerto Rico. What we want to create is employees are more empowered, where actually line employees are their owner of their problems and they can find solutions. So that is the type of skills that we're looking for those employees.
To see in a manufacturing environment with all those new technologies, and the first few boards that run through the line, all of them pass from the first try, and for me that's just amazing, and I feel very proud.
18 months of work and seeing the SmartLine now going live, it's actually a very, very good, I would say, feeling. And seeing all the work that all those engineers have been doing, I think is a great example of how we can use the creativity of our engineers and actually put it in a particular project for college.